Replace the rollers on the HP ScanJet Enterprise Flow 9000 S1 and N9000 SN1 scanner series. Press the power button to turn off the scanner. Disconnect the power cable and the USB or Ethernet cable. At the top right of the scanner control panel, pull the latch forward to open the jam cover. Locate the pickup roller cover latch. Press down and pull the latch forward to open the pickup roller cover. Pull the blue tab down to release the pickup rollers, then remove the old rollers. Insert the new rollers into position and then pull up the blue tab to lock the rollers into place. Close the pickup roller cover until it clicks into place. Locate the separation roller cover latch. Press the latch to the left and pull the edge out to open the separation roller cover. Squeeze the right edge and the left end of the roller shaft together and then pull the old roller out. Insert the right end of the new separation roller shaft into the clip and then push the left end forward into the clip. Close the separation roller cover until it clicks into place. Close the jam cover. Reconnect the power cable and the USB or Ethernet cable. Press the power button to power on the scanner.